Welcome back to the Hellcat channel. Today I'm going to show y'all some differences on jetting. I get a lot of people asking about this all the time as far as wanting to see me jet this thing. I can tell you today it's very humid. It's very hot. I'm not for sure. I'll tell you what, I can tell you how hot it is today. Let me do this real quick. And you'll see how hot it is today.
From the U.S. Naval Observatory's Master Clock BB&T time, 4:14. Current temperature 93 degrees.
Okay, so that means that this thing is jetted rich, one main jet. It was 104 degrees in the dyno room that day. 104 minus 25. I suck at math, just so y'all know. I know it's somewhere in the ballpark of 80s, I think. 79. Okay. So yeah, I'm a main jet rich, and I'm going to show you how one of these acts when they're rich. I'm going to do a fifth gear pull down through here, and you're going to hear it sputter. I'm going to try to show y'all this a little more in depth because, like I said, I get a lot of people asking me about the jetting on this thing and how to do a plug chop. I don't do plug chops no more. I did it when I first started. In my opinion, they kind of give you a roundabout. Now on pump gas, they do pretty decent, but race gas is a whole different breed. It's kind of harder to read the plug. So, like I said, I'm going to put it in fifth gear and lug it about 20 miles an hour. I get a lot of people asking this. This is how I jet the main on this four-wheeler. This is how I know if it needs more fuel or less fuel. Right now, it needs less fuel. And I'm going to try to do a little talking over this so you can hear. Start off in second. Now listen to it sputter. Okay. It sputtered for about 4 seconds. Let me count. I'm going to do it one more time on this straightaway. I'm going to start counting when it sputters, and I'm going to quit when it clears up. It is so rich because it's so hot today. Now the faster you go, the more that's going to clean up. I'll show you right here going a little faster. Second gear, third, fourth, fifth. It hardly sputters right now. It's still smoking for a bit though. I'm going to try to put this video series together and show y'all what it's like after you jet it down. If you can hear it, so I'm pretty sure you can hear it. If you can't hear it, something's up with the camera. Let me wipe it off, make sure. I'm gonna get out here on the pavement and I'm gonna try to let you see how it does. Alright, let me make sure this thing is pulling, and it is. We'll do a fifth gear roll on right here. It's about out of fuel. I'm gonna try to hurry. First gear. It won't do it every time. like this. When you're in a pasture and it has more load on it because of the grass, you're going to need more of a runway because it loads it a little more, just like a dyno would. And a lot of people may think I'm crazy, but I jetted this foiler just like this before I ever took it to the dyno. You can see the difference in the sputtering on the pavement versus that pasture over there. So there again, that just shows the load difference in the grass where the pavement don't have that because the tires are digging in. But it's a little rich. It needs to be jetted down. It could honestly go a little leaner than what they put it on the dyno, but I don't like going past that. So I'm going to do a video on jetting it, and then we'll do another one. I can't let the video in without giving you a little dose of Mr. Nasty. Won't be much because it's bad out of fuel. This son of a gun drinks it, boys, I'm telling you. But it's hot and humid today. It does feel a little down on power. I don't know how much down on power. We're going to let it down the straightaway here. Mr. Nasty. Woo! Let me make sure the camera's on. Well, I hope it was, because that was oh yeah, it's on. Yeah, let me wipe that off. I don't know if y'all seen that, but that was pretty sketchy. I didn't mean to do that. It come up on the back tires pretty quick. Look at them cold chills. And it ain't freaking cold today neither. So I think I may have to go change my drawers on that, boys. No, I'm just kidding with you, but yeah, that scared me a little bit. Let's see how much gas it's got. It's on the bottom, so I don't want to run it too much more. With it being on the bottom like that, I don't want to run it lean. Some of y'all that ain't seen it, polished wheels. I think most of you just seen them mow. Sure there ain't no darn snakes out here in this grass. Now, for the next video series, I'm gonna go ahead and post this video. I'm gonna make a video of jetting it. I've had a lot of people ask me that, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna video me jetting it. And most of y'all know how to jet one of these foilers, but I'm doing it for the people that don't, man. That's the reason I make this channel, for people that want to learn stuff about ATVs, yada da da da. I've also had people ask me if I would do a, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Patreon account maybe, and I'm not really sure what it is. I put it on my community wall, and some people has talked about it. Put in the comments what you think about a Patreon account. I'm not sure on it, but I guess it's running pretty good considering what it just did. You can tell on any foiler in the heat of the day and hot like it is that it definitely needs a little less main jet, but I'm going to take it and put it up because I'm low on fuel, and like I said, I don't want to run it lean. The next video will be on jetting. The next video will be compared doing the 5th gear roll-ons, so you can see the difference in what the main jet makes doing a 5th gear roll-on. And before anybody comments and says I don't know what I'm talking about, let me tell you a little fact here. The fact is, the way I jet this ATV is the way they jet them on a dyno. That is the exact same way they did mine when I took it up to right other end of North Carolina is where I took it, and that's the way they jetted it on the dyno. I told him when we was doing it, and he said that's exactly the way we do it. So like I said, the next video will be on how to jet it on the main jet. The next video will be doing roll-ons in 5th gear, showing you the difference in the main. Peace out, happy riding. If you haven't done so already, smash the subscribe button, share this with your friends, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload stuff. Appreciate everything and each and every one of y'all for all the comments you do. I try not to leave anybody out. I answer everybody's comment with a like, a heart, or a reply. Most time I reply to every one of them. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day.